Salam, today we're going to be making okra stir fry, Bhindi Bhujia. I know, some people don't like okra because it's slimy, but good news, this one's not like that because of the hot stir fry. Side note, I learned vegetable stir fries as bhujias, but others call crispy snacks bhujia too. And some say what I'm making is sabzi. Bhujia or sabzi, same method. You're gonna need 2 pounds of okra sliced, 8 to 10 garlic cloves sliced, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon crushed red pepper, 2 to 3 whole red peppers, salt, and 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or ghee. In a karhai, wok, or pan, melt the ghee on medium-high, add the cumin seeds and garlic and cook for a minute, then add the okra, salt, and crushed red pepper and stir fry for 5 minutes. Add the whole red peppers and keep frying for another 5 minutes. The high heat cooks out the moisture and slime, and it provides a nice crispiness too. Bismillah! I actually do think the mucousness of okra does go really good with stews as it naturally thickens them, but by itself it can be a bit much, which is why cooking them hot here gets rid of that problem, and you can taste the okra for what it is.